Hi friends, welcome to SV Technology. In this video, we are going to learn what is Web 3.0, why do we need it, features of Web 3.0, how will it help in our career. Everything we are going to see here. Introduction. The world has not yet entered Web 3.0. We are still using Web 2.0 and will continue to do so for some time. But with the advances in NFTs and cryptocurrencies, we are on the verge of the new era of the internet. So let's start by understanding what Web 3.0 actually is. What is Web 3.0? In the simplest terms, Web 3.0 is the third version of the internet. It is a collection of ideologies and principles that makes the internet data accessible to users and creators. The core concepts driving the third incarnation of the web are decentralization, transparency, and user utility. The unique features of Web 3.0, as we told, decentralization, transparency, and user utility. In decentralization, this is the main feature of Web 3.0. The whole internet will be decentralized in Web 3.0. The apps will be hosted on blockchains and decentralized networks called DApps or decentralized apps, trustless and permissionless. Blockchain is a huge accept of Web 3.0. Developers are using blockchain to create open and transparent data stores. With blockchain, all data exchange and transaction will be secure and transparent. There will be no single organization that can abstract data. Third one, connectivity and user utility. Web 3.0 will be more connective and ambiguous, meaning the web will be everywhere. Smart devices will keep the people constantly connected and accessible to internet. Why do we need it? The way internet is right now, there are numerous problems. These are three main problems according to Tim Berners-Lee, founder of World Wide Web. Security branches, hacking, selling of users' personal data, and international security attacks. Second one, monetization of user attention, advertising, clickbait, and spread of 0, 1K misinformation for money. Third one, censorship of data. How will it help to us? The main feature of Web 3.0 is discussed in decentralization. With Web 3, we will have to see the following changes. All data will be traceable. Users will have more control over ownership of their data. Semantic web envisioned in Web 3 will result in intelligent search engines. Numerous smart devices in our house connected to the internet. Secure money transfers online through browsers. So this is about the Web 3.0. For more information like this, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you. This is SV Technology.